In this episode of Get Your Eat On, I'm going to show you how to use the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. This is my Ninja Foodi. It also has an air fryer, but today we're using the pressure cooker. And once you know how to use it, make sure you check out my pressure cooker collard greens recipe. All right, let's get into it. This is the removable cooking pot, and this is where your food and ingredients will go. The cooking pot sits directly inside the machine. Just place it inside, and you're ready to use the cooker. Now we're going to talk about the pressure cooker lid, which is an extra lid that comes with this device. To close the lid, line it up properly, then turn it until it locks into position. This black valve connects with the silver notch and locks in steam, allowing pressure to build inside the cooker. Once it's properly in place, it's sealed. You don't have to turn it to the seal position. Just make sure it's completely seated and connected before you start pressure cooking. The first thing we're going to do is set the machine for pressure cooking. Press the flat power area at the bottom right of the control panel to turn on the machine. There are 3 settings we'll use: temp, function, and time. First of all, let's work with function. Press the function button. Now turn the large black dial in the center until pressure lights up. Next, press temp. Now turn the center dial to select the temperature you need. And finally, we're going to set our time. All you got to do is just press time, turn the center dial until you reach your desired cooking time. And for my collard greens, I generally use 25 minutes. Now you're ready to start pressure cooking. Once you've chosen the temperature and the time and the type of function that you want, press that button, which serves as a stop or stop button, and the pressure cooker will begin building pressure. Now, one thing that surprised me when I first started using this pressure cooker is how quiet it is. Most of the noise happens when you release the pressure. So if your machine is sitting there quietly, don't get alarmed. It's doing its job. When the cooking time is finished, the Ninja automatically switches to keep warm mode. So you don't necessarily have to run over to the machine the second the timer goes off. For something like collard greens, I've let them sit on warm and they've been just fine. Other foods may not fare as well, sitting past their cooking time. When you're ready to release the pressure, turn this small black flap toward the vent, and that lifts the valve and allows the pressure to begin releasing. And this is when you're really going to hear this machine. You'll hear and see the steam coming out as the pressure cooker decompresses. Now that you know how to set up and use the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, be sure to watch my next video where I walk you through making collard greens step by step. Now go ahead and get your eat on.